And for the folks that want to come in my comments under my content and diss me, you are wasting a lot of time. And I don't care. I don't care, bro. You know how much time you waste to come to my comments just to comment something negative about my content? I don't care. I don't. Your words don't matter, bro. You're not Jesus Christ. You're not my father up there. You're not Jesus Christ, bro. You're not me. Why would I care about what the heck you have to say? You're on the external. You're on the outside. I'm on the inside. Come on, man. Stop wasting your time going under my comments trying to diss me for my content. Go find something to do in your life, in your miserable life. Okay? And to think about it, if you had something, if y'all folks that are under my comment, that be under my comments when it comes to my content. If y'all had something to do in life, y'all wouldn't even be under my comments, bro. Y'all be too busy focused on y'all. Y'all be too busy focused on y'all, bro. So it tells me a lot that this person under my comments, that dissing me under my comments when it comes to my content, don't have nothing going on. Don't have going on. So I'm gonna just mind me, and you should mind your business, you know, and upgrade yourself and rise the bar, because I know your life is miserable and you probably don't got shit going on. So you have to go under my comments to entertain yourself and trying to diss me under my comments, under my content. Get a life. And I know why you being a monster spirit under my comment, under my comments, hating on me, being a bad spirit, because I'm actually doing something good with myself. Because I choose myself, and God chose me, and life chose me also. That's why you're under my comments, hating. But at the end of the day, you doing your job, being a bad spirit, and not doing my job, doing what the heck I want to do, doing something good with myself. On my own, very young, in my 20s, bro. Very young, alone. No guidance on this, just me in my dark space alone, trying to work things out with my craft. Something that you all cannot do, you know. You cannot sit in the dark space alone. You always need validation 24/7. You always need people around you 24/7. And that's why you can't even be the best version of yourself. Because you need somebody around you 24/7. You need validation. You need attention 24/7. You can't stand in the dark space alone and master yourself for at least a year or 5 years. You cannot do it. You'll be so fast to throw in the towel, less than a week or a month. Until you can jump on my level and do what I can do, as a content creator, that almost 500 days in, making videos of me working out, you will have no room to even talk. No room to talk at all. Until you put yourself in that dark space alone, it's time to build a foundation, time to build your craft that you good in, alone for a year, up to 5 years, bro. Until you put yourself in that dark space, you do not have no room to even talk to me. You don't. You don't have no room to even talk to me. Because you would lose against me, bro. Yeah, you would, bro. So before we even jump in the comments, trying to tear me down, and what the heck I'm doing, something good, which I am doing something good, even if you like it or not, I don't give a damn, bro, you know? I'm still do what I want to do, you know, because this is my life. You got your life, I got my life. You better cherish it, bro, because both of us dying one day. either from a bullet or health-wise. So I will not live what y'all have to say about me, bro. I don't care. I don't care what you have to say about me, bro. Because I'm going to live my life and you're going to live your life. You're going to do your job as being a hater, being a bad spirit under my comments, and I'm going to be a good spirit. Doing my own thing. Doing something good with myself instead of telling myself down like everybody else is in this generation, in this society. I won't be in the mix with that. I won't. I rebuke it. All right, man.